Okay, so since we had a snow day, so we lost a school day there, and then with the Aspire test, I don't really want to spend a whole nother day on just doing reflections in class. So I'm going to pick and choose a few examples from your homework to do with you if you choose to watch this. So hopefully you can kind of fill in any blanks and or holes that you might have had since I was gone. But remember, all a reflection is is a flip. You're just flipping it over a line. It's the exact same shape. It's just a mirror image. So on this first set of examples that you had, to copy the figure and the given line of reflection. Then draw the reflected image in this line using a ruler. Well, I don't have a ruler capabilities on here, so my lines might be not very straight. So we're just going to kind of eyeball it because that's just the way it is. So like on number 10, I'm reflecting this triangle XYZ over line K. So if you guys notice, X is on, there we go. X is on our line of reflection K, so that's going to stay there. So there's my X prime. And then guys, like I said, I'm just going to eyeball. Z looks like it's somewhere about right-ish here, give or take. There's my Z prime. And then my Y is somewhere like this, Y prime. And now I'm just simply going to trace it out. Yeah, you're right. It doesn't look exactly like theirs, like it's pre-image, but it does the job. Okay, so 10 through I think 14, that's all it was asking you to do was to reflect that shape, the pre-image, over the line. Let me grab my book here just to make sure that's all it was asking, but I'm quite certain it was. Da-da-da. Yeah, so those ones, you're just reflecting over the line. And then the ones 13, 14, and 15 get a little fancy, and you're going to have shapes on both sides. So let's just do a quick example. This is my line of reflection. Let's say I'm reflecting this triangle here. A, B, C. Okay, we reflect A over. A is now here. A prime. B prime's here. C prime's here. But you guys get the gist, right? Something like that. On this set of examples, let me move my graph here. It says graph each figure and its image in the given line. So remember, we are doing even, so let's just start with 18 here. So it says ABC, so that's this graph over y equals 3. So now I'm going to pull this graph up. So you'll need some graph paper. I'm going to plot triangle ABC. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's C, B, there's B, and A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. There is A. Okay, there's my triangle, and I want to reflect it over y equals 3. So y equals 3 is a horizontal line at the 1, 2, the 3. So now I'm just counting how far away my points are and replotting. So if I count how far away A is from my blue line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm going 5 the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now there's my A prime. C is 1, 2, 3 away, so I'm going to go 3 the other way. 1, 2, 3. C prime. B is 2 away, so now I'm going to the opposite. And again, we're just connecting. So that's all we did. We just reflected. I reflected over y equals 3. Okay, I'm going to erase this, so if you need to copy this down, pause the video. Let's see, what does 20 say? 20 says KJLM over X equals 1. So I'm going to plot JKLM real quick. Here's M. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's J. 3 over gets me to K. 3 down gives me L. Okay, now I want to graph reflect over x equals 1. So that is a vertical line at x equals 1. So here's x equals 1. And again, guys, I'm just counting how far over I am. So there's M. Hold on 1 second. Yes. Thank you very much. Okay, so M stays on our line. It's not going anywhere. J is 2 units away, so I'm going to the opposite direction. K is 5 units away, so I'm going 5 away from our line. And same with L, 5 units away. Again, I'm just copying. And it should look like a mirror image. We're just reflecting over that line. So that was what you were asked to do on 18, 20, and 22. Let's see what the next set of examples look like. It says graph each figure and its image under the given reflection. So this time we're just not given the shape. We have to first plot it ourselves, and then we're doing the exact same thing we were just doing, reflecting over a line of reflection. So if we do 24 here, I'm going to move my graph, make it big. So 24 says rectangle ABCD with the following vertices, -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. There's A, 1, 2. There's B, 1, -1. Uh-oh. That's there. My B was wrong. There's B. There's C. There's D. Okay, so that's my pre-image, and now I want to graph the image, which is being reflected over the line y equals -2. Y equals -2 is the horizontal line that crosses the y-axis at -2. Now again, guys, we're just simply counting and seeing how far away I am. So D is 1 unit away, so D prime, 1 unit away. A prime, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I'm going 4 the opposite way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just continue that pattern until I fill out my rectangle here. And there we go, folks. That's all we're doing, I promise. You're just counting how far away you are from your line of reflection. Okay, I'm going to erase this so I can see what the other examples were. Let's see, let's go. All right, 26 is just triangle over y. I guess let's do that one because that one's kind of tricky, I guess, with y equals to x. Okay, so let's first graph that triangle FGH. So F, -3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. There's F. G, -4, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1. And H, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1. Okay, so maybe you need help remembering what is the line y equals x. Well, the line y equals x, you guys, is just if x is 1, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 2. So it's just this straight line that goes through the origin with a slope of 1 over 1. 1 over 1, 1 over 1, 1 over 1, and I missed it. I messed up there. Here we go. So this is the graph I want to reflect over. So this one's kind of tricky because can you count diagonally? Well, no, you really can't. Like, I can't say I'm approximately 1¼ boxes away from here, so that's how far away I'm going to plot it. But what's nice about the reflection of y equals x, what happens is your xy coordinates become flopped. They switch positions. So, like if we were to graph f here, folks, your 3 and -2 switch spots. So my f prime would be at 2, -3. Same thing for g prime. I'm going to switch the spots of those. So I'm going to go over -1, down -4. There's my g. And then for my h, again, we're just switching -1, -6. There you go. So what you want to envision is if I could fold my graph on that blue line, would my points match up and lie perfectly on top of each other? And your answer should be yes, because they would. Okay? Let's see. I'm going to move this, 28. You guys should be able to do that over the y-axis. 30 and 32, it says each figure shows a pre-image and its reflected image in some line. Copy each figure and draw the line of reflection. So all you have to do is figure out, where does my line of reflection have to be? Don't overcomplicate it. Like, where does it make sense? Where could I fold this in half to where all my points would line up on top of each other? Well, this one's pretty straightforward, right? Down the middle, right? And I know 32 is kind of confusing because it overlaps, but it just cuts it down the middle. Down the middle. Okay. And that is all I have. I hope this helped. I don't know if it did. If you are still confused, please come see me Monday morning, okay? Have a great, great weekend.